Welcome to now in front of me DOOGEE S95 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate quick launch with once or double tap function key on this device. This button is here on the left side. So first you should go to the settings, and now here you get the function. So just tap right now to the smart key, and if for example you wanna open, I don't know, for example, you want to make a screenshot with one click, just switch this no operation to the screenshots, and as can you see here, this is the button on the left side of your phone. Just tap once on this button, and now you can see that you can make a screenshot. If you want to make it by double click, for example, tap here and switch to the screenshot, and now just by double pressing on this button you can make a screenshot also. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.